Welcome my viewers and followers. I also welcome you my subscribers. If you are watching from YouTube, my subscribers, I welcome you to this training program on how to produce white gloss or oil paint. In this training, you will learn how to produce this paint, white gloss or oil paint. You know, other videos we've been producing chocolate, black and other colors, but in this video we are going to learn how to produce white gloss oil paint. The first thing you need to do is to add your solvent. Your solvent can be paraffin oil, your solvent can be kerosene, your solvent can be fuel. You understand? But as I told you guys, I normally use kerosene and fuel. The reason why I normally prefer kerosene and fuel is because kerosene has high spreading rate. You understand? Kerosene can spray. Understand? Then fuel have high dry power. You understand? The dryness is very high. So I combine the two. After adding your solvent, you now put your resin. You add your resin. The resin here is acid. You add your acid. You can see the acid. And this acid, we have two types of acid. We have the thick acid. You can see we are using the thick acid. But if you still want it to be more glossy, you combine your thick acid with your light acid. Like you can use 2:2 or 1:1, or you can also use 2:3 or 3:2. Do you understand? So that you have a very good output. Do you understand? So when you add this acid, you stir. Do you understand? This is the hardest part of this production, stirring the acid with the solvent. This is the hardest part of it. It has to take your time if you are not using machine. And if you are using machine, make sure that you use low speed machine, because it doesn't need that very fast turning. Do you understand? And you are dealing with fuel and kerosene, so if there's too much pressure, something can happen. Do you understand? So I prefer you use low speed machine. Don't use very high speed machine. Do you understand? Make sure you stir very well. Understand, this is the hardest part of this production, stirring or blending your acid with your solvent. The next thing is the white pigment. This is the thing that gives it that white color. This white pigment, first of all, you have to measure some quantity of your solvent and mix it with this white pigment. When you mix this white pigment, make sure that you mix it very well. Stir it very well and make sure that it blends. Do you understand? If you did not mix it well, it will be very hard for you to blend it inside the acid, the resin. Do you understand? So you need to mix it very well, stir it very well. This white pigment is the thing that gives it that white color. So when you add it, after mixing it with a little solvent, you put it, you can see it has automatically changed the color of the paint. Do you understand? This pigment is what that gives it that color. You continue stirring the pigment, you continue stirring it. Do you understand? If it's very light, you add more acid so that it will get thickened. I don't advise using thickener. Do you understand? I prefer it with acid, because when you put more acid, it will make the oil paint to look more glossy. Do you understand? So you continue stirring. After that, you add your glycol. When you add your glycol, you still continue stirring. Do you understand? When you add your glycol, you continue stirring. Do you understand? You continue stirring. Understand? So you keep stirring, so that everything will mix very well. The white pigment has to mix and blend very well. So you continue stirring. Do you understand? You continue stirring so that you make sure everything mixes very well. Please, if you need more information on this, you can chat me on WhatsApp with 080 39 31 63 69 or 081 038 71493. You can chat this number, you can chat me on WhatsApp, understand, so that I'll give you more illustration. Or if you need to get our manual on this, you can chat me on WhatsApp 080 39 31 63 69, so that you will have a detailed and well comprehensive manual that will guide you on this production. If you need more illustration, more training on this, you can still chat me on WhatsApp. Mazi Pascal, I'm here to help you. So you continue stirring, understand? You continue stirring so that you make sure everything mix very well. After adding the glycol and making sure that everything mix very well, you add your dryer. We are using a cobalt dryer now, do you understand? But I don't normally advise people to use this dryer because you can see that it has changed the color of this paint. Though after mixing very well, it will still remain white. But I prefer you use lead dryer. The reason why I'm using this one for this training is just because this is for training. Do you understand? But we're supposed to use a lead dryer. Lead dryer is transparent. It's not like cobalt or mixed dryer. Do you understand? Lead dryer is transparent. So when you add your dryer, you continue blending, you continue mixing, you continue blending so that everything will keep on mixing and blending very well. You make sure you mix very well. Then after that, the next thing you are going to put, you have to put your anti-skinning agent. And when you add this anti-skinning agent, you make sure you stir very well. You stir very well so that everything will mix very well. If you did not stir very well, you will find out that it will have some residues. The pigment, the resin can go and settle. Understand? It can go and settle down, and you need to stir it again before you use it. But when you stir it very well, everything will be perfect. When you must have added this anti-skinning agent, then stir very well, your gloss oil paint is ready. Do you understand? The next thing you need to do is just to package it very well. Your paint is ready. You can see, wow, the paint is ready. You can see how shiny it is. You can see it, how shiny the paint is. This is your white gloss paint. White gloss or oil paint. Some people call it gloss paint, some people call it oil paint. You can see how glossy, you can see how shiny the paint is. Your paint is good to go. Thank you for watching this video. If you have learned something from this video, and if today is your first time coming across our video, click like, share so that others will learn from you. Share this video. Thank you as you share this video. If you're watching us from YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Become a member of our YouTube channel. You have a lot to gain there. You have so many to gain. If you're on Facebook, kindly go to our YouTube channel and join us there. Thank you for